But, sorry guys, the camera cut out. Let's see, one thing I want to do is, since this inner box is not terribly dirty, but, you know, while you're at it, go ahead and just do some of this extra stuff. Oh boy, I can tell that's a new air filter. Alright, let's get a look at the fins in there. Alright, new one. Look at those fins. Oh my gosh. Look at that old versus new. So this one, when we got this running, we took it to a shop. This is before I ever started working on stuff. And it hadn't been running in years. But all they did, they didn't replace this air filter at all. They just put a new, this new pre-cleaner on here. And that's all they did. And I think they cleaned it, but I've cleaned it multiple times. It's never terrible, but I'm gonna keep this because I may need this in the future, because that air filter really ain't all that bad, but I'd like to replace it. Because I'm gonna be sending that to the shop because it's got an oil leak. And one day I'm gonna get this one sent to the shop to have the rings done. But because it does burn a little, it does burn oil. But make sure you get that all in there. And then we got one more. We got that. Alrighty guys, so that is that. I gotta go get my spark plug wrench to replace the plug, but anyways guys, that's that. So hold on a second. Let's try something. Yeah, I've got the spark plug. Now, let's go see if my wrench here would work. It's not. Nope. So anyways guys, see you guys later. Bye.